friend, hey, Brittany Shanae are back with another Ipsy Glambag and Boxy by Ipsy unboxing. Before we get into it, do make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop. Hit me up on my other socials. And yeah, I'm excited to see what we have for June 2023. Let's go.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me.
We're back with another Ipsy Glambag and Boxy by Ipsy unboxing. I like to do them in one video. This month's theme is Ready, Set, Play. It says, this month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood-boosting makeup and happy hits of color. Just remember, the world is your playground. Okay, Ipsy, so have fun with it. And we're going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. The Glam Bag includes 5 deluxe beauty samples, and you get to choose one product. It's up to a $70 value, and it's $13 per month. Oh, I love this bag. This is like perfect for like going to the beach, y'all. And it says Love Ipsy's. I'm sorry, but the bag is literally my favorite part of the Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm literally here for the bag. I'm not even kidding. And it says love, and it's all squishy. I'm here for it. Okay, let's open her up. Okay. I don't get to choose because I didn't get to choose one item because this is PR, so it's gifted to me, and so yeah, I didn't get to choose. But first up out of it is the Frank Body Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleaner. It's a 2-in-1 melting body scrub. I have tried Frank Body before, and I do like it. I love the packaging. It looks like my kid's applesauce, but don't eat it. It's not edible, y'all. How to use. You use me in the shower, and it's an exfoliating sugar buff away dry skin, melt into nourishing. So y'all know I'm in my 30s, so I love a good skincare. So that will be in my travel bag. Oh my gosh. No, they didn't give me a Hula Benefit. I know this is one of my favorite bronzers, but I think this is one of the blushes. Oh no, this is one of the bronzers, but it's not the one that I use. I use the deep one. This is for someone of a lighter skin complexion. Like, I think my face is about this shade or a little bit darker. So I don't think I can bronze with this, but I can definitely give it to someone lighter than me. But I love that this is in here. I love a cute little sample. Next up, we have the Unfiltered Beauty Co. Pout Potion Lip Oil. Lip oils are really all the rage right now, so I'm kind of here for it. And this is obviously a full-size lip oil because it's not tiny. It's like regular size. Next up, we have the Real Niacinamide Serum. Who is it by? Oh, it's from Neogen. So it's by Neogen. It's called the Real Niacinamide Cinnamon. It has 15% vitamin B, ferulic acid, and zinc. Helps brighten vitality and pore care. So this is for your face. It's a little serum, a sample size. And last but not least, from Reina Beauty, Reina Rebel. Okay, I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ipsy, okay? I can't pronounce it. Let me get it open. It's a sponge. I'm sorry, it's not a sponge. It's a buff. And it's shaped like a heart. I can't. It's a sponge that's shaped like a heart, which I love. I feel like this also may have been left over from Valentine's Day. But I do love this. I don't know. I guess if you use it like this, it's kind of like a triangle. You can kind of do the same thing as like the triangle ones. Yeah. Super cute. Could never have too many of these. So that's everything I got in the Glam Bag that retails for $13. If this would have been the right shade, this Hula, I think that would have been worth the $13 with the lip oil, the Frank Body. Super duper cute. That's what I got in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag. Who is texting me? Next, we're going to get into the Boxy by Ipsy. And I just want to preface this that mine came untaped. I did tape it back up. But I wanted to let y'all know it did come untaped. Okay, so take with that what you will. Hopefully everything is still inside of here. I do miss that the Boxies don't come with the info card anymore. But yeah, Boxycharm with the Boxy by Ipsy, you get 5 full-size beauty products. Members choose up to 3 products, and it's up to a $200 value for $28 a month. And this is what I got in mine, if you can see, kind of. And it says, discover yourselves. I like the new boxes. I will say that. I really like the new boxes. I know we're like 3 months into this, but I do like the new boxes. First up out of the box. Okay, we have the Dew of the Gods Ultra Toner. Oh, we have the Dew of the Gods Ultra Tonic Toner. And I've gotten a few Dew of the Gods products in Boxycharm. Like I think I have a setting spray. And I think I even got a palette one time. I'm still using my Elemis. I am using the Elemis toner that I got in the Boxy, like the icon box from last month. That was a good find for me, so I have been using that. I really like it. Well, this feels very thick and luxe. I love when stuff feels luxe. Oh, it's a twist top too. This fancy. It smells good too. It says watermelon abstract facial toner. Welcome to summer in a bottle. Ultra Tonic is your new go-to good elixir packed with AHAs, vitamins, hyaluronic acids, and watermelon extract to tone, exfoliate, and reset your skin. I am a toner girl. I love a good toner. I am going to wait till I finish using the elements that I got in the icon box last month before I go into this one. But that is a win for me. Okay. Oh my God. When did Il Makiage start making eye stuff? I know that, you know, they are like the foundation with those commercials were everywhere where you get, like that you can find your perfect shade online. They are branching out. So this is the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. And it's a palette. Yeah, I don't have no eyeshadow. I don't know if I should do it. I'm really interested in this for some reason. And this also feels very luxe. And the colors are on point for like a neutral type of situation. Like, what? I feel like you can make a perfect everyday eye look for a brown girl with this. That brown is just deep enough. I think that shimmer will show up. You got something to blend out that chocolate with. And the colors are Lush Life, Carry On, Back Off, and No Bullshit. Okay, Il Makiage. Look at the packaging. A mirror packaging, you know it's going to get some smears on it. But I'm here for it. And it's giving luxe. I literally did not know. Is this like a new thing? When did they start making eyeshadows? I literally wouldn't know a thing. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to that man. Love this. Okay, I'm excited about that. I'm definitely going to play around with this. Next up, we have the Toy Factory Doll Paint Duo Kit Black and Brown Gel Liner. Don't use your teeth like this, people. It's bad for your teeth. Don't do what I do. Do what I tell you to do. Let me know if y'all want me to go back to demoing these products. I remember, oh, it has two in here. So it just comes with a black one and a brown one. Gel eyeliners. I remember I used to demo all of these products and okay, I hate packaging with too much stuff to undo. Maybe it's just me and my patience level, but let me know if y'all want me to go back to demoing, if you guys found it at all useful or not. So here's black. Let me see how much product you get in this. I'm really curious. So you get a good amount. I'm not going to do the brown one because it's the same except brown. And I don't want to... Oh no! Going back in, it broke. Well, that sucks. I'm still pushing it in there. You think who gonna waste product? Not me. So that's black. And it also came with a brown because it's duo. You get both. What do I have next? So next you get the Symbiosis London, PRP White Peony and Papain Complex Enlightening and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel. Okay, so 2 skincare products so far. Ooh, it smells good. I smell it through the foil. It has a lot of fragrance in it. It smells good. Have you ever tried any of their products? Let me know in the comments. I've never tried anything from them. Okay, the last thing in my Boxycharm is a bronze highlighter from Babe Beauty. I don't like when they be sending me bronzers and stuff because they be giving real light skinned. Not light skinned because I could maybe do some light skin stuff, but it be giving white. I like a better word. It be giving real white. Oh, but this is a highlighter, so we'll see. It's called Babe Beauty. Okay, I like it. I like the shimmer in it. Even though I don't like bronzers really that have all the glitter in it. But I feel like this is like enough, but not too much. So yeah. And those are the 5 items I got in my Boxycharm by Ipsy. The only thing I'm really excited about is this Il Maquillage thing, this little quad, and that's mostly because I'm just interested to try their eyeshadow formula. I didn't even know that was something they were branching off into. So super excited for this. Not overly excited for anything else. I probably would not have picked these items, but if you got to pick 3 items, what 3 items did you pick? Let me know what I'm missing out on down in the comments below. As always, do make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight?